Do you go to science class at your school? You may have a science book, you may read the science book, you may do projects in the science class, you may run tests to find out how things work. But what is science? Science means to know. Science is a way to know about things in our world. In science, we can learn about Earth and space. We can learn about plants, animals, technology, and much more. In science, we can learn what things are made of. We can learn how things move. We can learn how things work. We can learn how these things in our world help us. Who are the people who work in science? A scientist is a person who works in science. A scientist wants to know about new things in our world. A scientist is like an investigator trying to solve a mystery. A scientist watches and observes how the world works. Sometimes a scientist invents or creates new things. A scientist uses the scientific method to find out new things. The scientific method has 5 steps. Step 1. Ask a question. The scientist asks, what is the problem? This is the mystery that scientists want to solve. Step 2. Make a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess. The scientists guess what they think will solve the mystery. Next, the scientists will try to find an answer to the problem. Step 3. Do an experiment. An experiment tests the scientist's guess. Step 4. Organize the data. The scientist learns something from the experiment. The scientist will make a chart to show what has happened. Finally, the scientist will share what was learned. Step 5. Find a conclusion. The scientist asks, what did I learn from this science experiment? The scientist will tell how this new information can help us. In this book, we will learn about 5 scientists. These scientists learn new things. They solve problems by doing experiments. As you read about these 5 things, think about the new things you may want to learn. Would you like to be a scientist?